how to move ringtones to your Samsung Galaxy S8s Plus. First off, you open the hard drive that it has. Then you follow my little cursor here, and you have that folder there for ringtones. But if you want to do the text message ringtones, you go to notifications, you click on that, and as you can see, all it shows up is, I guess, the Facebook thing. So what you do is you go over where you have all your ringtones stored, you copy them, you don't cut them, you copy them, and you hit paste. Then it'll ask if you want to convert. Then don't worry about it, just hit no, just copy. Okay, now double check your phone. Go to message tone, and as you can see, I have them. Simple as that. That's all you do.